You can go in the video.
We have all kind of monkey in Costa Rica. Right face cappuccino monkey.
Look in the top part. You have these small ones, the babies one, and the top of the tree. ¿Dónde está su esposo?
We have a lazy guy right there.
Someone coming to you. Look in the back.
Yeah, they're hanging out. Remember, we have four kind of monkey. White face monkey is a real normal monkey we have in around Costa Rica. We have squirrel monkey, color monkey, spider monkey. The squirrel monkey, that one flies finger. This is the other one. Why? More bigger. Baby now.
Get the baby.
They're all the same thing.
Oh. You want to make sure?
Well, I want to take pictures.
Yeah, we have a.
No rush.
They don't change too
Well,
much.
yeah, because we're going to be going on to the next one.
Okay. The doggy says, and everyone look for the monkey and forget about me.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby one there.
Got it?
Be careful. No, oh, be quiet, 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 quiet. Remember, it says, don't go close to the monkeys. Don't you go close to the monkeys. Okay, buck off. My people, buck off, please. I come with 19, I can go with 20, but not with 18. I don't need no one in the hospital.
They just got excited.
This lady is very wise. She keep away from the animals. You have banana?
They are normally they have the sheep. We have remember it's not a pet.
Okay.
It's in the wild. This is the more aggressive monkey we have in Costa Rica, the white-faced monkey. For example, they attack. If you see it, they attack in 10 or a group.
They come.
Yeah.
They come in groups.
They are this monkey they can